Hey, welcome back to Perkins Garage. We just this last weekend had the fifth annual, first consecutive Perkins car show. People might disagree with me on that. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's that. Anyway, what's that?
5th or 6th. I don't know.
Yeah. This year, Hank actually won, but my friend showed up with his wife and kids, and they actually rigged the.
It's not kids.
Huh?
It's not kids.
The ones that voted?
Oh, never mind.
Yeah. They actually put me over the top, so I wasn't gonna let that slide. So my wife's friend, her boyfriend, he ended up winning. Really good dude. Really awesome bike. I'll try to figure out how to share a picture in this video of his bike, and yeah, it's a ridiculous Harley that it's all turboed up and everything, and a lot of horsepower. I think he said it's around 180 horsepower, and he wants to go bigger. Real sweet bike. Great turnout this year again. My friend Ben and Brenda, they brought over 1954 Ford Victoria. So last year, if you go back to the last year's car show, he's the one that had the advanced design Chevy, the green one with the red hood. He said that he traded that truck straight up for this Ford. I don't know why you do that. He says he's kind of missing it, but I think he just wanted more room. But that's a pretty cool car. Yeah, we had some of the same cars. One truck, the square body. It's a buddy of mine from a long time ago, high school. Longer than that. Last year he brought that, but this year I don't think it was turboed last year. This year it's turboed, so enjoy that. But yeah, real good turnout. Had a lot of fun. Talked a lot of shit. I don't know. My aunt and uncle, they brought 2004. I want to say it's a TJ Jeep. I'm not a Jeep person, but he's got it all done up like an old school Jeep with big tires and everything. Looked pretty sweet. So I don't think I got any videos of that one in there, but yeah. So enjoy the car show that we had, and then on the back side of that, I'll tell you what's going on with the Murderado. Yeah.
Oh yeah. You're good.
Oh yeah, looks good to me.
Exactly.
Oh, he's gonna try it. There we go. Oh yeah.
And home.
All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the couple videos I got in there. Gonna do another car show next year. That's the plan. Gonna try to figure out another trophy. I think I'm gonna outsource my cousin Bob this time because mine was okay.
Pretty sweet looking.
Yeah, she thinks it was sweet looking. I hope Kellen enjoys it. But like in the previous video, like I said, the truck's gone. I actually just sold my 2008 Duramax that I've had for over 10 years. Bought it when she was a baby. She was just born. Whole story with that is I wanted a new truck. I wanted a diesel. I had a 2003 Silverado that it was rusted out and everything. I just put a transmission in it. I'm really good at just putting new parts in vehicles and then selling them. So I wanted something bigger. I wanted a crew cab. That was an extended cab. So I went and checked this out, and my wife was actually on maternity leave with my daughter, and I went to the dealership and brought it home, and I was like, hey, what do you think? She's like, I don't give a shit, just go buy it, you're gonna do whatever you want anyway. So I ended up buying it. We had that thing for over 10 years. It's a great truck. Went to a younger family. Hopefully you can enjoy it for many more years. But I need something bigger, and I've realized that the cabs on the newer trucks are actually bigger on the crew cabs because I got a 150-pound American Bulldog and my kids are getting bigger. So there will be another truck coming, maybe this weekend, we'll see. So that's the update on the old murder radio. It is gone, but it was a good truck, and yeah, she's sad about it. My wife, I was kind of sad watching it go. Just a lot of memories in that truck, and it was always a good truck. So yeah, but hope you enjoyed the video. A lot of uhs in here, so try to keep you up on what's going on at Perkins Garage. I've got winter's coming, so that's usually when I get work done on cars.
Yeah.
Hanky Panky's running great. Need to pull the power steering gear out still. I got sealed kit, but it's not leaking that bad, so out of sight, out of mind, I guess. If it ain't whining, I'm not worried about it.
Dad, did you ever tell them about replacing the speakers?
Oh, no, they already made a video on that.
Oh.
She wanted to know if I told you guys about replacing the speakers or putting speakers in the Chevelle. But yeah, you guys already know about that. I got boom booms in the Chevelle. It's pretty sweet. Strictly Days to Confuse soundtrack. So, all right, we'll catch you on the flip side.
Why?
a lot of gas. And you gotta do something with the carburetor. Either a smaller one, or I don't know. Just checking stuff with the transmissions because something went a little wonky today. Going to Jefferson Car Show. Went to do kickdown. I felt it motor revved, but it was like it didn't feel like a transmission slipping. It almost felt like the rear end was not happy, and that's the only thing I haven't replaced. It's 331 rear gear, which is blah, but it should have fucking grabbed. So I don't know. And it's doing something weird when I'm turning to the left and taking off. So I don't know if something's going on, something wonky in the rear end. I almost thought it was slipping transmission, but I could feel it in the rear end. It's almost like, oh, I should be spinning my tires, but they're not. So, always something. So I was just kind of testing the transmission seat and seeing if that grabs, trying to do a little, little bit of a power stand, and if it grabs under load. I was also in overdrive when I did that, so I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, it's always something. Anyway, hinky pankies out and about. So, thanks for watching. Catch you on the flip side.